Hello everyone. I'm so glad you have joined me today. Today I am doing an Across the Waves blog hop with Vicki, and our focus this month is dies. So with that, I pulled in the Altenew Sunshine stamp set and the coordinating die. I love this little image, so I purchased it, and I've already cut one, stamped one and cut one out. I'm also using the Diamond Plaid layering cover plate dies. This is a set of 4 dies, but I'm only using this one. Now, I have a little hint for you. When you cut this out, this piece actually needs a piece that's like just above 4. It's like 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I didn't want that, so I put this in here and I put my paper on the back. And next time when I do this, I'm going to tape it because it shifted and I had to do some creative cutting. So little tip for you with that one. All right, I have my card base that's white. I have a piece of Granny Apple Green, and I'm using a retired Stampin' Up punch. I know it's not a die. I went for something quick and easy to do my leaves. I am using some green sequins. I didn't have a pink that matched. And for my flower, I am using Frosty Pink, which is R302, Ruby Red, which is R318, and lemon, fresh lemon, which is Y106. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color this. I'm going to start with my center, and I'm going to color it yellow. All right, then I'm going to color my flower using the Frosty Pink. And this is kind of a bright color. I only have pinks and purples and yellow. I got to get some other colors. I had some reds, but they weren't the right shade of red for me. I need to get some more colors, so I'll be watching and seeing. I'm also going to organize it by, because Altenew, I use the mini ink cubes. I like them better. It doesn't take as much to store it. All right, now I'm going to go over it, those lines, with this ruby red. So I've got, the alcohol markers are refillable and they sell the tips, which is good. So I switched to, or I chose that brand to go with because I like the fact that it's refillable. I have re-inker or ink refills for the alcohol markers because they have those, but I'm working on getting the re-inker for the cubes, and I'm thinking I really would like to be able to store everything together, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I'm going to go over this now to just kind of blend it out, and I just scribble over the top. I don't worry about making sure that I don't have, I just kind of scribble away so that I get some different variations in the color. And I can always tell where I started because it's blurry. There we go. I store my ink cubes and markers in this little container, but I would like to be able to put my re-inker and alcohol refill in a container also with the same cup all together. Just makes it easier for storing for me. All right, so there's that one, and through the magic of the video, I have 3 more done. Now I'm going to take, and I don't know how many of these I'm going to need. So that I'm going to punch out 3 if I can get it out of here. If I move this down, maybe I can get another one out of here. Ooh, yes. So I have 3, and hopefully that will be enough. All right, I'm going to move this out of the way, and let's get our card put together. So I'm going to take and move that aside. I'm going to fold and burnish my card base. Now make sure you go over and check Vicky's card out. The link is in the information section below. And I'm going to add some glue to the back of this. And I got to clean off the tip. And I don't have a very steady hand, but I'm going to do the best I can. If I go off, I can wipe it off. And I'm going to add some key dots in some spots, only because I don't want to get, all right, so there's one there, 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 and there. I think I'll put one there. All right, that should do it. So let me pick this up, and I'm going to use my tweezers because I think I can grab, no, I don't know if I can or not. You know what? Let me do it. Nope, I'm just going to grab it here, there, and there. All right. Here. Now I'm going to put this down as evenly as I can. All right. And I'm going to put a block on top so that it grabs. And I will take and I'll put my flowers together with glue dots. All right. And let's see, I'm going to put one here. Take off the back. There it is. And add that. And then I'll add another one, and I'm going to hold off on the third one till I get my, don't you dare. Get them down and see where it needs to be. All right. Okay. Doesn't take this glue long. All right, now I'm going to put this one here, and I'm going to put it on with some foam adhesives, and I'm going to make sure I put a foam adhesive on top of that leaf to help hold it in place. I take my backs off. I'm going to put that one right there. This one I'm going to put down flat. I think I'll do it this way, right about, and I think I'll do it, let's see. Let me do some figuring here. Yeah, that's where I'm going to put it. I'm going to try the tape runner because I think it'll hold it. All right, I'm going to put it there. I'm going to put this one on with some foam adhesive. Again, grabbing that leaf. And I'm going to put it right about there. And then this one, I can put it on with, I'm going to trim the end off some. I can put it on with tape runner. Actually, I think I'm going to use glue because my tape runner is going to not, tape runner I think might rip it. So I'm going to grab some glue and put it just on the leaves. And this I will hold with my tweezers. And I'm going to kind of pick it up and stick it under like that. And then to finish it off, I'm going to add some sequins. I have had sequins for years and haven't used them. I can't get it open. There it is. And I decided it's time to use some sequins. All right, so I've got 3. I'll see if that's enough. I'm going to put like one here, and one there. I stagger them. Let me get my take your pick tool here. There. And there. Okay. And I'm going to put my pin in because I'm done. And close that up, dump them over, I'll have a mess. There's today's card for dies. And make sure you give the mailman and the person who receives it something else to look at by decorating the inside in the envelope. Now, check out Vicky's card, link is below. Make sure you subscribe. We'll be back next Sunday again for some more die ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.